Hi, esanabri. You're asking how to make a more 3D type image rather than a flat 2D image. So let me just remove that one there. And here's a reference bit map that I'm being used, which is obviously a 2D image without any false 3D effect in it. So you ask how you can do that. This is how I'd go about it. I would create a vector image. Just let me go down to there. In Zara, by selecting, in this case, a Cardinals logo from Google, and then trace over the top of it, and that's exactly what I've done here. I've traced over the top of it. We've got the one thing that's slightly different here, I've put a face, this purple bit as the face image, because when we look at the 3D effect, it also has some contouring within the face, and if I don't do that, I don't get that contouring. So how do we go about going from this flat image here to this 3D image? And this is why I do it. So let me just move that off. Now I've got this vector shape here, which I've created by just tracing over the top by hand on the thing. So let me just pull them apart a bit. So you've got that image, which is the black background. You've got this bit, which is the crest, I suppose. You've got here the beak, here the eye, and here, as I say, the face bit that I need you to do to get some contouring into the face as well. So I'll just undo those, put them back where I was. Now, something you also notice is that my vector shape here has got a black fill, black shape, but the 3D image has got this white background as well. So what I can do now is I'm going to select this black background, go to the contour tool, and select that black background. I'm going to go Control Clone, and I'm going to put it back, Control Shift forward a bit, so it's above the green rectangle, and I'm going to fill that with white. You can't see it at the moment. I'll go to the contour tool and bring that contour out like that, perhaps a bit more. Right, so now when we look, we've got that shape, this shape, etc. Of course, these are no good if you want to contour them, so what you need to do is Control K, clone, and I'll just put that as green for the minute, and I'm going to select the white behind it. I'm going to go Control 2, and that removes, it's not solid white background now, it's a hollower shape. And now I'm going to go Control K, control that, and give that a yellow filler, and select that black background and go Control 2 to move that. You can see now that that and that are different shapes. I've now got this one here, which I'm quite happy with. I've now got this one here, which I'm quite happy with. I've got the eye, and I've got these two beaks. Right, so let's just start by selecting this white background. I'm going to go to the contour tool, and I'm going to drag the contour in like that. If you want to adjust the contrast, you can. So you've now got that shape of the contour, and if you move it out, you can see that. Select the black, and also add a contour. So let's just go there, and if you want, you can adjust the contrast, or you can adjust the light angle or whatever you want. I'll just leave that like that. Similarly on here, you can select the crest with the contour tool and bring that like that, and I think that would be better with an angle fill. Let me just bring that out slightly. And with this one here, I'm going to just change the fill now, because I want that also to have contour. I'm going to drag the contour in this time, possibly not as much, so that gives you more of a 3D effect. Select the eye, give that a contour, quite a big contour on that one. Again, make it a sharp angle. With the beak, the two shapes, but I've added them. I can add that and give them a beak like that. So you're now getting more of a 3D effect than previously you had. So I'm going to pause this a minute, and then let's see where we go from there. Okay, now I'm going to try and add some more highlights than the bevel, the contour tool. No, the bevel tool gives us. There's one here, one here, one up here, one there, one there, one there, and quite a few over and around. So I've created a new layer called highlights. Let me just make sure that that's finished, and I'm going to trace over this bit here. Let's give that the green colour, and I'll make it 2 so you can see it. I'm going to move that down and move this up like this. Then I'm going to move that down there, move this like this, move that like that, and finally just go to there. Give it no fill. I don't know why I've got 2 there, it doesn't matter. Okay, and if I give that a white colour, remove that thing, I can move that approximately. These two don't actually match up. Now I'm going to move that like that, possibly turn it around a bit more, and then give it a feathering, quite a high feathering. You can see you're starting to get highlights. Similarly, if we do this one here, yellow, give that no fill, move that over about there, turn it around if I want, and then give it feathering, start to add additional colours. I'll change that to white, and you can see as I go on I can carry on doing this here, highlight here, highlight here, this highlights here, highlights here, highlights here, highlights here, and highlights here and up there. And you can finally see that you can make quite a good three-dimensional image out of what would have been a two-dimensional image. I'm just going to click that and make it black. You can see it's starting to come on. Anyway, that's the way I do it. Hope that helped you. This is Egg. All the best. Goodbye.